Welcome to Webgility ReCap, a series of videos aimed at getting you started using Webgility. In this video, we'll go over the process of connecting your Magento Store to your Webgility desktop software. This is for Magento 1 version. If you're looking for anything above version 2 or higher, there is a separate video listed. Magento connections require that you set up the Webgility Store module to connect properly. To download the Store module, navigate to My Account on webgility.com, and then the Downloads section. Under Downloads, you'll see a drop-down with a bunch of different Store module options available. Go ahead and select Magento from the drop-down, and then click Webgility Store module with whatever version is currently listed. Once you've downloaded the Store module, you'll want to upload the Store module files to your Magento FTP location. If you don't know how to do this, consult your web developer or click the link in the description for an external resource on how to do this. Once you've uploaded the Store module, keep note of the file path that you've uploaded it to, and navigate back to the Webgility desktop software. If you've already connected a store previously, you'll want to go to Integrations, Stores, and then Add a new store. From the drop-down, you'll select Magento, and then give your store a name. This third option is going to be the FTP file location that you uploaded your Magento Store module to. Once you've entered that or copied and pasted it in, go ahead and hit Continue. And then you'll be given the option to enter your store admin login or username, and then your store admin password. Once you've entered the login and the password, go ahead and hit Connect to Magento, and you'll see that all of your product categories, shipping, and payment methods, and other data are all downloaded directly into Webgility. Once you're successfully connected, the next step, if you haven't already done so, is to connect your accounting platform. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.